Hey Silviu, this is a video for your ECU. So I've got it in here, all plugged into one of our other harnesses I've got on here for testing, just to show that everything is working. So first of all, we just want to show that the immobilizer is removed. So you can see the security light is flashing over there. Just going to take the key and insert it. Security light goes off. All the lights come on with the ignition there, and let's fire her up. Also, just to show you that she's obviously only... Right, just to show you obviously that we've removed all the codes. The only codes that are on here at the moment are solenoid A, B, C, and D, or solenoid 1, 2, 3, and 4, and SLU, SLN, and SLT. So it's basically the 7 codes, because we haven't actually got an automatic gearbox plugged in, but we haven't got secondary lambda codes or no other codes related at all. So once you plug your auto gearbox and everything in, she is going to be absolutely hundreds to rock and roll. So that's basically it. Just wanted to get a video done to show you that everything is working as it should do. So obviously once you follow your instructions from Calvin and do your harness, you should be good to rock and roll. But thanks for watching.